Are you mentally broke now? That's normal if you're chasing your goals. There is no man that is successful without a degree of suffering. And here it is. Number 1. You will feel pain. Embrace the pain as a crucial part of your journey towards success. Understand that every challenge, every obstacle, and every setback is an opportunity for personal growth. Just like a muscle is strengthened through resistance, so are you. The pain you feel today is the strength you will possess tomorrow. Keep in mind that some of the greatest success stories are born from the deepest struggles. Number 2. You will want to give up prematurely. There will be moments when you feel lost and hopeless, when giving up seems like the easiest option. During these times, hold tight to your vision. Remind yourself of why you started this journey in the first place. The difference between success and mediocrity often comes down to your ability to persevere. Every great achievement was once deemed impossible by someone. Your determination can turn the seemingly impossible into reality. Number 3. You will lose relationships. As you ascend towards success, not everyone will be willing to support your path. Success often requires significant sacrifices in terms of time, effort, and energy. Some people in your life may not understand or accept these sacrifices. Focus on those who share your vision and values, and who stand by your side even during challenging times. Sometimes, letting go of the wrong relationships paves the way for new, supportive ones. Number 4. People will discourage you. Negativity and naysayers can be like weights dragging you down. Instead of letting their doubts affect you, use them as motivation. Let their disbelief become the driving force behind your determination. Prove them wrong through your actions, not your words. Your success will be the most potent response to those who once doubted you. Number 5. You will be hated for no reason. Understand that not everyone will celebrate your achievements. Jealousy and criticism often arise when you stand out and pursue your dreams. Don't let these negative sentiments deter you. Keep your focus on your goals and let their negativity be the wind beneath your wings. Your achievements will speak louder than any criticism. Number 6. You will doubt yourself. Self-doubt is a common companion on the journey to success. There will be times when you question your knowledge, decisions, and instincts. It's natural to fear making a mistake, but remember, there's no such thing as an unrecoverable error. Each decision, even if it leads to an unexpected outcome, is a step forward. Take action in spite of your doubts. Number 7. You will fail. Risk is at the heart of every quest for success. You must be willing to leap into the unknown and see what happens. With risk comes the possibility of failure. It can be scary, and it can come with a cost. You may face criticism, humiliation, or even financial setbacks. However, each failure is a valuable lesson that fine-tunes your efforts towards success. Failure is not the end. It's a stepping stone. Ultimately, remember that success isn't just about reaching a destination. The struggles you face and overcome are what shape you into the person you need to be to achieve your dreams. Stay resilient, stay focused, and keep pushing forward. Your journey is worth it, and the rewards will be even sweeter because of the challenges you've conquered. Embrace the pain, doubts as a part of your success story. Consider subscribing to our channel